Good morning. Okay, so in this master shower, we've got an issue with the mixing valve. Um, And it looks like it was installed incorrectly. So if we're looking at this valve, normally the valve handle is pointing down to begin with, and you turn it one direction. So that would be the normal direction for me to turn it. Only get a quarter turn out of it this way. I can get a half turn going the other direction. Now, when I mix it, this should be about halfway, so this should be perfectly mixed. My water temperature is coming out at about 91 degrees, which is a little bit warmer than what a normal comfortable shower should be. So we're getting more hot water than we are cold water. So this really needs to be corrected by a licensed plumber, just to get this installed correctly. It's not a major defect, but it's something that was probably done when the house was first built.